Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio. Once signed in, click your avatar and choose YouTube Studio. This puts you where changes are made. Make sure you have owner or manager rights because channel location requires administrative access. Next, look to the lower left and click Settings. That opens the panel where channel details live. You're already doing the right first step. Access the settings now so we can change the country field in channel settings without detours. Once done opening settings, click Channel, then the Basic Info tab to find country/region. You'll see a drop-down labeled Country. Choose the new location and press Save. Make sure to also review language and audience options because algorithm and copyright norms vary by region. Adjust those now if needed. If your channel is linked to a brand account, confirm the brand account settings too. Changes sometimes reflect there rather than under your personal profile, so keep an eye on that transition. Finish by refreshing YouTube Studio and checking the Basic Info tab to confirm the new country saved correctly. If the change doesn't appear immediately, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window, then resave. Sometimes cookies block updates. If you're blocked by account restrictions, brand account linkage, or verification requirements, contact YouTube support or follow the on-screen prompts to resolve verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.